Hey Drew, this is Jonathan Birch from Rattle Internet Marketing. This is your custom video that I was going to send to you after I get a thing. And then the point of this video is I'm going to show you three things. I'm going to show you content, backlink, and then citations. And then after that, I'll show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your own business. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So on content, you want about 15 to 2,000 words on your home page. This depends on how much the competition and the number of keywords that are needed. A keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want to find for your website. Sorry, what your website wants to be found for. That's what I'm going to say. So an example is, though, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, California, you want Google to know, you want to put some keywords in that says plumber and some things that say Oceanside. So, but for you are structural repair, so it looks like concrete kind of work and other stuff like that, or just structures in general. So you would want stuff in structure repair and concrete and flooring and stuff like that, and you want it into Cary, in the city of Cary. So if I look at how many words you have on your front page, you have 198 words, which is not a whole heck of a lot of room for your keywords. So you definitely going to want some more on that content on your home page. Second thing I was going to talk about are backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via a clickable or hyperlinked text. These links act as an endorsement for your website and from others, which tells Google, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally a popularity contest where the person with the most websites pointing at them wins. However, not all links are created equal, so it is worth noting that relevant to your industry and local websites will work best. So this is a tool called Eris that I'll talk about in a little bit, but this shows me all of your numbers. It gives me a monthly base. So when I go look at your monthly base, I see that you have 3 backlinks, while your 2 competitors, Bathroom Phrase, Building and Remodeling, they have 272, and Core Remodeling Group has 8, which they don't have too much, but they're still ranking on the first page of Google. So the next thing I'm going to tell you about is the citations. So right here on citations are anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. So in this map pack is what we call right here. Citations help you rank in this map pack, which are extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amount of revenue. A few other citations also include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB, and 100 other things that you might have heard of. Social media accounts are also a great tool if you have them set up correctly. The idea behind this is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than these competitors, it's more likely that you're going to rank above them. So if we go down here and look at different things, we can find you'll start ranking above these other people. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So if we look at this tool, Ahrefs again, Ahrefs is just a tool that these numbers are based on Ahrefs' own algorithms. However, the real number from Google is usually almost always higher. In your case, it says that you have 0 organic traffic. I don't know if that's completely true because, like I said, Google has a better sense of that. But your other people, Phrase, has 178, and Core has 33. By generating this kind of traffic for their websites and GMBs, let's say the conversion rate of people calling for their business is just about 10%, and it closes about 50 of that. which is common for local businesses of this type. They're probably closing anywhere around 8 to 10 jobs a month for this we're here. There's other businesses that are a whole lot higher than this, and that'd be easily to get up to way higher traffic. So I have seen jobs. I've seen people can have jobs up to even the hundreds of jobs per month, depending on how much traffic and stuff they have. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that will generate some pretty decent revenue. Also, there are many more keywords that you can use. So if you look back at yours, you have 2 keywords that you're using. I'm not exactly sure what those are. I mean, I can look into it. I can click on it and see what exactly they are. But the more keywords you have, the more traffic and leads you will generate. So this is what I do for a living, and I created this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more, continuing to scale as far as you want, feel free to reach out to me. And I can always help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals, and then I can do the research to find exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. I do ask that after you watch this video, if you could please leave a one-line feedback either in the YouTube comments or in the email to me, so that way I can see what I can improve on. Again, my name is Johnathan Burt. Please feel free to reach out to me as my door is always open. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this helped, and have a great day.